Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or BitGet. And in today's video, I will tell you exactly what you need to know about choosing which application you want to use or which crypto broker. I need to tell you two things before we start, because the first thing is I won't tell you which application is better because both apps are great. Both brokers are great, and I won't tell you which one is better. I will tell you in this video which one will fit you the best. And the second one is I made more than 1K videos about crypto brokers, so I know exactly how the the brokers works. So I will tell you with my experience which one you can pick the best. So let's start right now with the comparison, because we are having here Kraken and here we have BitGet. And if I be honest, the main focus on Kraken is the security and investing. And with that, I mean the security on Kraken is very strong and Kraken is a little bit more focused on investing. If you want to active trade or do more on copy trading, then I recommend you to use BitGet. That is also why at my subject best for, I wrote down some topics so I can tell you exactly specific what I need to tell you. So the trading tools on Kraken are strong enough to do your research, and that's it. And if we go right here to the BitGet, it's very advanced. So if you want to do advanced trading options or analysis, I recommend you to use BitGet. So that's very advanced. Then if you go to interface, Kraken is a little bit more professional. BitGet is a little bit more modern and beginner friendly. In my opinion, Kraken is also beginner friendly, but BitGet has, in my opinion, a few easier things to start your trading account up. So in my opinion, that is the one if you want to start. And if you go to fees and trading cost, Kraken has good fees, but BitGet has lower overall fees. So you can decide for yourself if you want to do that, because on BitGet you can do more trades and pay less fees. And Kraken is just in the long term. So if you want to do a lot of trades, I recommend you to do BitGet. So in a summary, if you want to trade more on daily basis, I recommend you to use BitGet. If you want to use just simple and want to invest for the long term, I recommend you to use Kraken. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.